How's it going, window cleaners? Louis here with Superb Window Cleaning. I'm going to be doing a job right now. So what I want to show you is what I do when I first get to the job site. What I do is I examine the windows, I see the size of panes. So then I go into my van and I measure the windows with a squeegee so I can do the least amount of passes. So I figured out this one here, I can do a 24-inch Sorbo Cobra here. As you can see, 2 passes. And then the windows over there, I'm doing a 36-inch Black Mamba from Sorbo. Okay. Also, I'm using the 30-inch Grizzly Yellow Jacket from Sorbo. As you can see, the white scrubber pad here is really aggressive, so I can do the least amount of passes as well when I wash the window. Okay, so let's go to work.